Being a student is not just sitting in class, study and doing assignments, but we need to considering new ideas and trying to innovate to make contribution for nation progress. Based on issue, we often think of new technologies because technology can improve also help people. With team members Galang Gastiadi, Narulita Dwi Nugrahaini, Kautsar Luthfian Ramadhan, Hanifah, Rifki, Sakib, Thalib, and the last our advisor, Mr. Nana Zakaria from State Polytechnic of Malang. Toluene or methylbenzene is an aromatic hydrocarbon. Toluene is also volatile organic compounds or VOC, a component of many paints, inks, gasoline, glues, and thinner. These compounds have a negative impact on health when exposed to human body. A short-term exposure has to lead respiratory disorder, dizziness, and eye irritations. Long-term exposure in human produces a devastating upon central nervous, liver, and renal. Motivated by this, a system for minimize the exposure effects of toluene in workplace is proposed. HCHO sensor as toluene concentration detector, the HT11 sensor as temperature and humidity detector, ESP32 as a microcontroller to control the embedded system. Blower to increases the velocity and required for cooling, ventilating the workplace. Humidifier puts moisture into the air. LCD and Android device to monitor the system. The toxicity level of exposure to toluene vapor depends on the concentration of toluene compounds and the physical condition of base, included temperature, humidity, and air pressure. Also need to correspond with threshold limit value or TLV. We will make system that automatically control temperature and humidity to avoid toluene compounds begin to evaporate, so it's still on safe exposure levels. To activate the system, you need to plug in switch power strip. Open the application on Android device. We can choose in automatic mode or manual mode. If use automatic mode, the system will automatically work without operate by user. If the humidity is less than 40%, system will turn on humidifier. If the temperature is more than 28 Celsius, system will turn on the blower. And if concentration of toluene vapor more than 20 ppm, system will report that toluene vapor became harmful. By this research conducted by Jihan and friends, they concluded that the result of risk quotient calculation is 4.6% printing workers have health risk effects of toluene exposure. Modified by this, we are decided make any system to minimize the health risk effects. In America, a new paper published that the most neurological disease pose a serious annual financial burden for nation, and totaling cost of it is $789 billion in 2014, also will increase even further over the coming year. With this total cost of this system is $90 per piece, it will get effective to minimize health risk of employee. SMEET has several advantages, including can minimize exposure effect of toluene to occupational health, manage worker risk, also keep them safe. Easy to use, it will very simple to operate in any range of age. With several of benefits, SMEET is possible to commercialize in workplace that contain of toluene. Keep healthy because prevention is better than cure.